Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth tutorial in this series of Complete Guide to ReactJS. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to install a React app using Webpack. In the second tutorial, I have explained how to create a React app using npx command, and in the third tutorial, I have explained you like what are all the classifications that can be done or to create a React applications. And in this tutorial, I'm going to explain that the second classification, which is nothing but creating a Webpack, creating a React using Webpack. So at first, what I have done is I have created a new folder called React using a Webpack, and then I opened it through open folder over here, and it had opened it for me. And second thing what I have to do is I have to go to the terminal window, and in the terminal window I have to click on new terminal so that it loads it to me. So these are the first step. The second step what we are going to do is we are going to create a new folder in which all the Webpack components will be bundled. So let me create a new folder by using this particular command in the command prompt, which is nothing but mkdir app, and then I have to go to that particular app. So once you got into this app, so the very first point for each and every JavaScript application is your package.json file. So how to run this package.json file, where I will get it, how to create it. It is not we going to create the package.json. We have a simple command that is nothing but npm init to install package to create a package.json, which is nothing but the entry point of any JavaScript applications, which tells more about your applications. So once you give npm init and click on enter, it will ask you for a few questions. Let it get pop up. I'll wait for it. Yeah, over here it is asking for the package name. I'm just going to give my app as the package name, and the version you can just mention it as 1.0.0. Maybe later, if we are upgrading our app based on this tutorial, we will modify the version as well. If you want to give any descriptions, you can give over here. And the entry point is index.js, which is not going to change right now. And if you want any test commands like karma test and jasmine test, you can mention the test commands over here by default, which will make sure that whenever your application is up and running, this test command is getting executed. If in case your application or the Webpack is going to be built based on a specific folder in your source control, at that time you have to mention any URL over here. And click on keywords. I'm not going to take any keywords or any I'm not going to use any keywords in my application, so I'm just going to click on enter. Author, I'm just going to mention my name as an author. You can mention your name for it. And license, I'm just giving it as MIT. It's nothing but like just a small name, like it is not mandatory that you have to give MIT. Except the app name, everything is not mandatory over here. And if you click on yes, your package.json will be created. And how to verify it? Once you open this app, and yeah, it is already there. If it is not getting loaded, just click on the refresh button. And once you open this package.json, whatever the things that we entered, right, like it is already been there. And this would become as an entry point for any Java related app which is up and running. It acts as a starting point which tells about our applications. And after updating this, the next thing that we need to create is we need to install is a React module itself. So I'm going to use this command npm install and React. What this does is the React modules would be downloaded and it would be pasted in my node modules, which right now you can't able to see over here, but once I execute this command, it would be over here. What it does is it downloads the React module which is present in the internet and it places over here, and we can React this module in our JS file in our code, and we can use that module to bring a lot of React kind of components in our applications. So when I say I'm using React, that means I need to have some library kind of thing, right? So this particular command installs that. And apart from that, I am also going to install another module which is nothing but React DOM. So React DOM and React both comes in hands in hand. What does React DOM does is each and every HTML element which is present will be passed as a DOM. So those type of contents, like say for example, if you want to render a particular element, you will be using this particular this command so that it would get used and render the components, and it would show in your UI. And once this is done, the next is the most important thing, which is nothing but Webpack itself. What is Webpack module? So I'm going to install the Webpack by saying npm install Webpack. So Webpack is nothing but the tool which bundles all your components like JavaScript, CSS, and your HTML into a single folder. It's a tool, single folder. It would bundle all in one, and it would bring you in browser with the help of Babel. So this particular Webpack need to be installed. I already said you in the previous tutorial that it would be bundled as a var. If you want to bundle it as a var, you can also do that. And for that, what we are using is this particular Webpack module. And how to install this particular Webpack module is by using the command npm install Webpack. So once this module is being installed, there are a couple of other modules that also we need to install as a part of this tutorial, and they are nothing but Webpack Dev Server and Webpack Client. What is Webpack Dev Server and what is Webpack Client? So over here, you have loaded the modules Webpack, and as I said earlier, the Webpack is nothing but a tool which brings all the components in the front. But in order to bring that in front, there is some inbuilt components itself which should be present. Those are nothing but Webpack Dev Server. Inside that itself, it will act as a server engine, and Webpack CLI, which would act as a client, and these components also need to be installed so that your Webpack is available thoroughly. Say for example, when you are installing React, you also install the React DOM, right? Like that, when you are installing Webpack, you also need to install these two modules. So I'm going to mention those two modules in my next command. As of now, let's wait for this particular installation that I have executed needs to be completed. I'll wait for it, and from next command onwards, I just execute it in a single command itself. When I say single command, a single line, so that we don't have to do that. And you also have a note that whenever I am just installing anything, right, you will see that it is automatically added in your package.json as well. So what it does, so say for example, tomorrow one of your colleague also wants to install an application. If he just imports this package.json and if he just clicks enters npm install alone is enough. What all the dependencies components present over here, it would automatically installed over here rather than I am executing the command each and every time, right? So that is not needed, and that is the reason like why it is getting loaded as a dependencies over here. This is telling that these are all the dependencies that is present for creating a Webpack kind of like web applications. So the next thing what I'm going to do is, as I said earlier, I'm going to install npm install webpack hyphen server and webpack hyphen CLI, and I am also going to execute few other things. Those are nothing but Babel, which I will explain to you what is Babel and what is Babel is used for. Babel hyphen loader and space. I am also going to install Babel hyphen reset hyphen env hyphen Babel, sorry, space Babel hyphen reset hyphen react, and that is last Babel hyphen reset hyphen react is there, and HTML Webpack plugin. So once I click on all the stuff, I'm just going to click on enter. So I've explained you what is Webpack server and Webpack CLI is used for and how it comes along with the Webpack. So there is some error I'm getting. Webpack dev server latest is not in the npm registry. Let me install npm install Webpack dev server alone and see what happens. Sometimes it occurs like, yeah, now it is getting installed. Yeah, so no, not found. Also install Java folder